I am sick.
Hello, everyone. My name is Olivia.
My name is David. I am very, very sick.
He is not very sick. He has a cold.
I am very sick.
You have a small cold, David.
No, this is big. This is man flu.
Dissenters, today we talk about man flu.
Man flu is real.
Man flu is when a man has a cold and he acts like a baby.
I am not a baby.
Okay, David, okay. So, what is man flu? Let me tell you.
Man flu is very bad.
Man flu is a small cold.
No, it is big.
When a man has a cold, he says, "I am dying."
Because it is true.
But when a woman has a cold, she says, "I am okay."
Women are strong.
Yes, women are strong.
Men are soft.
Yes, men are soft, like a baby.
Hey, not nice.
Okay, let's learn some words. Easy words.
Yes, good words.
First word, sick. David is sick. Say it, sick.
I am sick. I am very sick.
Good. Next word, cold. A cold is a small sickness. Cold.
I have a cold, a big cold.
A small cold.
Okay, a small cold.
Next word, bed. You sleep in a bed. Bed.
I am in bed all day. I love my bed.
Yes, you love your bed.
Bed is my friend.
Next word, rest. Rest means sleep. Stay in bed. No work. Rest.
I need rest. Rest is good.
Last word, pain. When something hurts. Pain.
I have so much pain. My head, my nose, everything.
Everything?
Yes, everything hurts.
Okay, everyone. Let me tell you about yesterday.
Yesterday was bad.
Yesterday, David was in bed.
Yes, in bed all day.
He called me many times.
I needed help.
Let me show you. Let's go back to yesterday. Announcing, it is morning. David is in bed.
Olivia, Olivia, help.
Yes, David? What do you need?
I need water. I am so sick. Please, water.
Here, water.
Thank you. You are so kind.
Announcing, 5 minutes later.
Olivia, Olivia,
Yes, David?
I'm cold. I need a blanket.
You have a blanket.
I need 2 blankets.
Okay, here, 2 blankets.
Thank you. You are an angel.
Announcing, 10 minutes later.
Olivia, Olivia,
What, David?
the TV. I cannot find the TV thing.
The remote?
Yes, the remote. Where is it?
Announcing, it is next to you, on the bed.
I cannot see it. I am too sick.
Announcing, here, it is here.
Oh, thank you.
Announcing, this happened all day.
Olivia, call my mom.
Your mom?
Yes, I need my mom. Only mom can help me.
David, you are 35 years old.
I don't care. I want my mom.
Announcing, see, he is a baby. Okay, let's learn more words. Ready?
Yes, ready.
Water. You drink water. Water.
I need water. Water is good.
Blanket. You sleep under a blanket. Blanket.
I love blankets. Blankets are warm.
TV. Television. You watch TV. TV.
I watch TV in bed.
Mom. Your mother. Mom.
I love my mom. Mom makes soup.
Of course, Mom makes soup. Okay, David, tell everyone, what hurts?
Everything hurts.
Your head?
Yes, my head hurts.
Your nose?
Yes, my nose hurts too.
Your arms?
Your arms? Yes, my arms hurt.
Your arms hurt?
Yes, everything hurts.
Do your legs hurt?
Yes, my legs hurt.
Announcing, see, everything hurts.
Because I am very sick.
You have a runny nose, David.
My nose is running like water.
Okay. Okay, everyone, time for a break.
Break! Yes, coffee time.
Oh, now you have energy?
I love coffee.
2 minutes ago, you were dying.
Coffee saved me.
Sure, David, sure. Okay, everyone, we have a question for you.
A big question.
Who is worse, men or women?
What do you mean?
Who acts like a baby, men or women?
I think women.
I think men.
We will see.
Okay, everyone, drink your coffee. We'll be back soon. And we are back.
Hello again.
David, how do you feel now?
I feel good. Coffee is magic.
Oh, so you are not sick now?
Well, I am still a little sick.
Sure, a little sick.
My nose is still running.
Okay. Okay, everyone, let's talk about men and women.
What about men and women?
When a man is sick, what does he do?
He stays in bed
Yes, he stays in bed all day.
because rest is important.
But when a woman is sick, what does she do?
I don't know.
She wakes up, she goes to work, she cooks food, she cleans the house.
Really?
Yes, women do not stop.
Wow, women are strong.
Yes, we are very strong.
Men are not so strong.
That's right. I have a funny story.
A story? Tell us.
This story is about my dad.
Your dad?
Yes, last month my dad got a cold.
Okay, and
He called my mom. He said, "I am sick, help me."
that is normal.
But then he called my grandma.
His mom?
Yes, he called his mom.
How old is your dad?
He is 60 years old.
60 years old, and he called his mom.
Yes, he said, "Mom, I am sick. Please help me. Make me soup."
That is so funny.
My grandma came. She made soup. She gave him tea. She stayed all day.
That is sweet.
But he is 60. He is not a baby.
But grandmas make the best soup.
That is true. Grandmas do make the best soup. More words. Let's learn.
Yes, good words.
Soup. Hot food. You eat soup with a spoon. Soup.
I love soup. Soup is so good.
Tea. A hot drink. Tea.
Tea is good when you are sick.
Clean. Make things nice. No dirty. Clean.
I do not clean when I am sick.
I know, David. I know.
Olivia cleans.
Yes, I clean always.
You are the best.
Thank you. Okay, David, be honest. What do men want?
What do you mean?
When men are sick, what do they want?
Good question.
Do you want soup?
Yes, soup. I love soup.
Do you want tea?
Yes, hot tea.
Do you want to rest?
Yes, rest in bed.
What else?
I want love.
Love?
Yes. When I am sick, I want someone to say, "Oh no, you are sick. Let me help you."
You want attention,
Yes, I want attention.
like a baby.
Yes, like a baby.
That is okay, David.
Really?
Yes, everyone wants love. Everyone wants help.
Thank you, Olivia.
You are welcome. Okay, everyone, here is the truth.
The truth?
Yes, men are not bad.
Really?
Yes, men just want love. They want care.
That is true.
So when a man is sick, he wants soup, he wants tea, he wants rest,
Yes, exactly.
and he wants someone to take care of him.
Like Mom.
Yes, like mom.
There is nothing wrong with that.
No, there is nothing wrong.
So, man flu is okay?
Man flu is funny, but it is okay.
Good.
Let's review all the words. Ready?
Ready.
Sick. David is sick.
I am sick.
Cold. A small sickness.
I have a cold.
Bed. You sleep here.
I love my bed.
Rest. Sleep. No work.
Rest is good.
Pain. When something hurts.
I have pain.
Soup. Hot food.
I love soup.
Tea. Hot drink.
Tea is good.
Mom. Your mother.
Mom is the best.
Great job, everyone. Okay, everyone, that is the end.
Thank you for listening.
Today we learned about man flu.
Man flu is real.
Man flu is when men act like babies.
Hey, not nice.
I'm just joking.
Okay.
So remember, when a man is sick,
Give him soup.
give him tea
Give him love.
and let him rest in bed.
Like a baby.
Yes, like a baby.
Olivia, I have one more question.
What is it?
Can you carry me home?
No, David, I cannot carry you.
But I'm still sick.
You can walk.
My legs hurt.
Fine, I will help you walk.
Thank you. You are the best nurse.
See, he is a baby.
I heard that.
Okay, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Stay healthy.
And if you get sick,
Eat soup
drink tea.
and rest in bed.
Goodbye.